Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Clash Royale verification code not showing. The first thing I'd like you to do is to know where to find Clash Royale application. Now you can find Clash Royale application on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install Clash Royale. Now, after downloading Clash Royale, it's going to take you right into the application itself, which is the battle screen, where you're going to be asked to pass the first phase of your tournament. Now, once you're done with that first step of the training, it's going to take you right into this home screen in Clash Royale, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to fix Clash Royale verification code not working. So let's say when you're when you try to launch a Clash Royale and you were given, let's say when you try to launch your Clash Royale and you're asked to verify your account, or let's say you try to create a Supercell ID and you're asked to verify your account, but you are not seeing the verification code in your mail. There are a lot of steps that you can take to ensure that that's corrected. Number one, you have to ensure that the email that you imputed in Clash Royale is correct. You have to ensure that it is the right email address. And number two, you need to check your spam folder and double check to see that you actually got the confirmation mail or that you got the verification mail. Check your spam folder and double check. You need to double check that you have no rules set in place that might make emails end up in a folder. So you need to check your mail to ensure that that does not apply with you. And the next thing is to check your mail, and in the search bar, go ahead and type Supercell ID. That's in the inbox. Search bar over your inbox, go ahead and type Supercell ID, and you should be able to find the mail. So follow through with any of these processes and you should be able to find a solution to that. Or if you did not, go ahead and check the top right corner of the screen, click on this horizontal lines, click on settings and click on help and support in here and locate the help desk. Let them know that you have an issue with this and they will definitely help you with it. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.